Hey guys, it's Johannes here. Most of you know me from Clearlight Saunas. We distribute Clearlight all over Europe, Australia, and New Zealand. But today I'm not here talking for Clearlight, but talking about a new product, which is a red light near-infrared therapy, also called a low-level laser therapy. And you can see on the boxes here that obviously it's a new brand, it's a new name. Our new baby is called Aurora. Obviously the morning glow, the morning sun. And you can see in the background I got this beautiful red background lighting in red. And most of you know infrared saunas are great. You go in there, you sweat, you detoxify, you really feel great. But today we're talking about red light therapy or red light near-infrared therapy, which also includes red light and infrared, but it's fundamentally different to a sauna therapy. Essentially, with this product, you have a light treatment, whereas with a sauna, you have a heat treatment. And the idea is that you expose your body, your naked skin to this product. And then over time, the red light and the near-infrared are two very specific wavelengths. We use red light at 600 to 660 nanometers, and we use near-infrared from LEDs at 800 to 860 nanometers. And when those two come together at an adequate intensity, and you expose your naked or your skin actually to this light, the photoreceptors in your skin, they essentially absorb it and stimulate or activate the mitochondria. Now, you might have heard of mitochondria, you might have not heard of it. I use a really simple metaphor, which is that the mitochondria are essentially the power plants of the body. And mitochondria, or healthy activated mitochondria, they ultimately lead in more energy on a cellular level. And what the mitochondria do in very simple terms is they produce ATP, adenine triphosphate, which can essentially be seen as the fuel, the energy essentially that keeps the body going. So therefore, when you look at red light therapy, you want to expose your naked skin to it. You want to be in front of it for 10 to 20 minutes. And essentially, you energize your full body through an increase of ATP. And health benefits of this are, for instance, testosterone boost in men, anti-inflammatory properties. You have thyroid regulation for men and women. You generally have seen improvements around well-being, mental well-being and depression. There's a lot of research going into Alzheimer and Parkinson at the moment. And this is not just, 10 or 20 studies, but it's literally hundreds of them that have been well studied, well observed, and the benefits of red light therapy are pretty fantastic. So it's obviously a sauna, but it's a fundamentally different application. And as we thrive for excellence and we really want to bring you the latest wellness technologies to the market, we came up with our very own red light units. We get the Red Light Mini here, and we get the red light sort of large unit, which is sort of around 70 centimeters. And they're really intense. And I just quickly wanted to show you and what it looks like, how you could use it, and hoping that spikes a bit of your interest. So get the large unit here. It's very well made, quite heavy. It has sort of a steel casing, really heavy duty with 3-year warranty. And if I just hold it up here, you can obviously see I have to use both hands. It's very sturdy. You get a timer on this side. You get sort of metal rocks and a metal attaching system up here, which means you can actually hang it on your door. It becomes a sort of attachment system, comes with it. You can stand it upright, you can lie it flat down. When I do my yoga in the morning, I put it on, especially using it whilst I do Shavasana. And it really helps me, especially in the morning, to energize my body, to set me up for the day, to make sure that I get my daily doses of healthy light. We're excited. We have written a more, quite extensive blog, I think around 13 pages, that really provides a bit of a deep dive around red light therapy, what it does, how is it different to an infrared sauna. And I hope that you guys will follow that and read it. Do get in touch if you have any questions around the technology, the product, the health benefits. We'll be always there to guide you through it. And otherwise, I hope you have a magical day, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a good one.